Carefully unbox your system.
As you unbox your system, leave all packaging materials in place. The system was packaged with foam, shrink wrap, and other packing materials to ensure the belt, carriers, and other components stay in place during shipment. Carefully remove the shrink wrap. Unfold your system. If a second person is available, it will make reassembly easier. Carefully remove the plastic sleeve, taking care to leave all of the system components in place. Remove all packaging material from the track, ensuring the drive belt stays in place. Bring the track sections together by pushing the track onto the splice, keeping tension on the master carriers, making sure the belt stays in the track, and moving the master carrier forward. Bring both master carrier body halves together and insert the center clip. Tighten the splice set screws. Assemble your master carrier arm. Test the track operation by moving the master carriers from open to close. Install the track to the wall or ceiling prior to installing the motor. Charge the battery prior to installation. Two-person assembly and installation suggested.